My collection of cutaways is growing. This is my Bell & Gossett pump. This is my TXV I sliced open a little while ago, and then I recently opened up a scroll compressor. A little backstory on why this compressor was removed and replaced. The customer called and said the unit wasn't cooling. It was in a train unit. One of our technicians went and restarted the unit and noticed whenever he did, the compressor was extremely noisy. This is the fixed part of the scroll, and underneath of it is the orbiting part. And let me get a flashlight. This is the orbiting part of the scroll, and as you can see here, this plate is broken, and that's what moves this back and forth. So that's what was creating the noise inside of the compressor and why it ended up having to be removed and replaced. Pretty cool. And a little product plug here. This was sent to me from Ledlenser. This is the P7R core. It has 3 modes. It's programmable. I didn't get into any of the programming yet, but this is high, medium, and then low. But I assume once you get into the programming, you can adjust it to come on in different modes and maybe different brightnesses. So I'm gonna check that out and learn more about it. And this is where you recharge it at. It's rechargeable. Very nice. Thank you, Ledlenser.